Although it is nice to be able to choose your own CME courses, some states do have very specific requirements on which CME courses they will accept. We have curated a list specific to those very particular requirements. These courses are located in the Browse State Required Courses tab at the top of your dashboard. Once you click into the Browse State Required Courses tab, you will see a list of courses and two search bars. The first search bar is specific to the state that you're looking for courses in, and the next is specific to the clinician type. Here, you're able to refine your search specific to the states that you are licensed in. Once you refine your search, you will see a list of courses and then those requirements that they specifically will meet for those states. When you click into any one of these courses, it'll bring you directly to the Learning Center, where you first see the overview, faculty information, accreditation, and lastly, the button to register for that course. Once you take the course, you can then upload your CME certificate directly into your Mocingbird file cabinet or email directly to us at trackcme@mockingbird.com. If you have any further questions, please feel free to email us at contact@mockingbird.com. Thank you.